Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down, click on themes and tap on more. Then click at the loop and type whatever you want to, for example C. Now pick theme that you like the best, click on it and tap on the green button. Lastly, click apply. Now when I go back, I can see the theme of my device has changed. But if you wish to go back into the default one, all you need to do is go into settings, choose themes again, this time tap on my themes over here and pick one of the default ones, for example that one. Then click apply. Now when I go back, I can see that my theme was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!